Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can view nearby event on Facebook. So if you get bored, you can try to join an event or some event nearby. You can view the nearby event from Facebook, of course. Don't forget to turn on location, and then you can tap three stripe at the top of your screen, and tap on events. As you can see, I'm at Bali, Indonesia right now. And of course, this is local events that I can attend. There is a day, dates, and also the address. This week's or events followed by friends and so on. So feel free to try join the event from Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.